About 3 years ago, when myself and my colleagues first started at CIEE, and we were in the process of rebuilding our web and digital teams and building out new processes to provide services for all of our lines of business, we realized, with some advice from our Drupal developer, that we needed to anticipate that personalization is really going to be the wave of the future as far as communicating with our customers, or our potential customers, on a one-to-one basis. Very quickly, we were able to see results as far as being able to generate leads that converted at a very high rate, over 20%. And what that told us was, hey, there's really something here. We need to start paying more attention to this and identify new ways to use this platform to speak to our customers in a way that matters to them. But we had to figure out a way to make sure that all of that metadata was aligned and captured in the same way, so that we could provide recommendations and personalize in a more effective manner. And by doing that, we're able to see really strong engagement rates across the website. That had an impact on our bottom line. Once we were able to demonstrate that Evergage was able to generate over 80% of participants that were acquired by a specific campaign that had at least 8 different channels that we were marketing on, it was clear that we needed to start paying more attention to personalization and using that across the board where applicable in our campaigns. I think when you're approaching personalization for the first time, it's really important to understand that obviously the sky's the limit, but you don't need to start there. Starting small provides you the opportunity to not only develop proof of concept so that you can get organizational buy-in, but it also allows you to learn in an incremental process. Maybe you start on your website, and then you start personalizing via email, and you start personalizing via paid media. It's an iterative process, and if you approach it in that manner, it's much more digestible and manageable. For CIEE, we chose Evergage because it really struck us as a platform that would allow us to personalize on a level that really the organization had never done before. In partnering with our Drupal developers, Oho, they provided us with some companies for us to look at that had personalization platforms that would meet the needs of CIEE. Evergage really stood out as a winner here. And for us, it's been a strong partnership for the last coming up on 3 years now that has really helped us grow our business.